Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the best baseline. Google Earth Pro on desktop gives export control and higher pixels. Once chosen, pick the clearest imagery date using historical imagery. This is why different dates matter: sensors, clouds, and season change clarity. Next, set your view to near nadir, reduce tilt, and adjust sun angle to reduce shadows. Make sure to lock position and zoom level before proceeding. This prevents reprojection blur when you export the image later. Now focus on extraction. Zoom so your subject fills the frame without exceeding the imagery's native pixels, because upscaling creates blur. Then set export resolution. Choose 4K or enter custom pixels in options. Enabling high-resolution imagery forces Google Earth to render more detail. Disable unnecessary overlays like labels or roads to keep raw pixels clean. Once done, you save image with the highest render quality and custom size, and export as PNG to preserve detail for post-processing. Finish by cleaning the export. Apply gentle sharpening, targeted denoise, and contrast corrections to enhance features without creating artifacts. If you need a larger area, create overlapping captures and mosaic them using control points for alignment and exposure, blending to hide seams. Make sure to save original exports in lossless format. If results look blurry, try another imagery date, recheck zoom versus native resolution, or increase export pixels. One of those steps usually recovers the clarity you need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.